मैं क्या जी सबनू वेलकम टू आवर चैनल द लाइफ पिटारा।
This video is based on our all-time favorite god Shiv. Jyotirlings are as divine as the presence of Almighty God Shiva itself. When you break Jyotirling, it becomes Jyoti, which signifies brilliance, and Linga, which implies falls. These Jyotirlingas are viewed as various appearances of Shiva. There are 12 Jyotirlings in India spread in different locations, and Hindu fans from the whole way across the country visit them. These places are not only famous for spirituality but also for the scenic beauty and peaceful environment. Spread across the country, Jyotirlings are visited by devotees and travelers from different parts of the world. To name them, Somnath, Nageshwar, Bhimashankar, Trimbakeshwar, Grineshwar, Vaidyanath, Mahakaleshwar, Omkareshwar, Kasi Vishwanath, Kedarnath, Rameshwaram, Mallikarjun. Somnath is situated in Gujarat. This is one of the most acclaimed Jyotirling in India. Somnath is praised as the first among the 12 Adi Jyotirlings and one of the most worshipped sites in the country. The temple architecture resembles Chalukya style, and Lord Shiva is believed to have appeared in the shrine as a sizzling column of light. Shiv Puran tales reveal that Moon married 27 daughters of Dakshin Prajapati, but Moon was cursed by Prajapati for neglecting all his wives except one, Rohini. In order to get rid of the curse and regain his lost luster and beauty, he worshipped Lord Shiva. The Almighty granted his wish and resided here as Somnath eternally. Located in Kathawad region, Somnath Jyotirling temple was destroyed and rebuilt almost 16 times. There is no doubt in the fact that this temple comes on the top in the 12 Jyotirling list. Temple hours every day from 6 am to 9 pm. Aarti take place at 7 am, 12 noon and 7 pm. The famous light and sound show Jo Somnath take place every day between 8 to 9 in the evening. How to reach Somnath temple? The nearest railway station to Somnath is Veraval railway station. It is well connected with the major cities in India and is just 5 km away from Somnath. This distance can be covered in a taxi or by cab. Nageshwar, located on the coast of Saurashtra in Gujarat between Gomati Dwarka and Beth Dwarka, Nageshwar is one of the popular Jyotirling temples in India. Thousands of devotees visit the temple of Nagnath round the year to seek blessings from the holy shrine of Nageshwar Mahadev, located in an underground sanctum. The 25-meter tall statue of Lord Shiva, large garden, and unobstructed views of the azure Arabian Sea fascinate the visitors. This is one of the most powerful Jyotirlings in India, which symbolizes protection of all types of poisons. Temple hours 5 am to 9 pm on all days of the week. Devotees can go for darshan between 6 am to 12:30 pm and then 5 pm to 9 pm. How to reach Nageshwar? The nearest railway station for Nageshwar are Dwarka station and Veralar station. Jamnagar airport 45 km is the nearest airport to Dwarka. Bhima Shankar, Pune, Maharashtra. On the banks of river Bhima, there lies Bhima Shankar temple, a marvelous black rock structure with Nagar architectural pattern. Surrounded by a wildlife sanctuary on the same name, the Jyotirling here is believed to be built by Bhima, who is Kumbhakaran's son. Huge number of pilgrims visit this shrine round the year, especially during Mahashivratri. Devotees visiting Bhimashankar temple also see Kamalaja temple, an incarnation of Parvati, located close by. Temple hours all days of the week from 4:30 am to 12 noon and 4 pm to 9:30 pm. Darshan starts at 5 in the morning and continues till 9:30 in the night. In the afternoon, during Madhyan Aarti, darshan is closed for 45 minutes. How to reach Bhimashankar? The nearest railway station to Bhimashankar is Karjat station, that is 168 kilometers. The remaining distance can be covered in a bus or a rickshaw. Trimbakeshwar, Nasik, Maharashtra. Trimbakeshwar Jyotirling is located near Brahmagiri mountain, the place of origin of Godavari river, also known as Gautami Ganga. According to Shiv Puran, Godavari river and Gautami Rishi pleaded Lord Shiva to reside here, and hence the god emerged in the form of Trimbakeshwar. The most unique part of the Jyotirling is its shape. Instead of a shrine, there is a void here with 3 pillars placed inside. The 3 pillars represent the 3 most powerful and authoritative gods, namely Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwar. Temple hours 5:30 am to 9 pm all days of the week. How to reach Trimbakeshwar? Nearest airport to Trimbakeshwar is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. The nearest railway station is Igatpuri Railway Station. Located in Nashik, Trimbakeshwar can be reached by road 2. Grishneshwar, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. With impressive red rock 5-storied Shikhar style structure, carvings of gold and a huge Nandi bull in the main court hall, Grishneshwar temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlings of Shiv Puran, located near the caves of Ajanta and Ellora. Built by Ahilyabai Holkar, this temple is also known as Guru Someshwara and Kusum Ishwar. The sculpture of Vishnu's 10 avatar carved on red rock is so impressive and fascinates each and every visitor. Temple hours. For darshan and puja, visit the temple between 5:30 am to 9:30 pm. During Sawan, darshan is between 3 pm to 11 pm. Usually darshan takes about a couple of hours, but during the month of Shravan, there are huge footfalls and it takes about 6 to 8 hours to complete darshan. How to reach Grishneshwar? You can reach Aurangabad by train or flight from other parts of India. Delhi has direct trains and flights to the city. Aurangabad is 30 km away from Grishneshwar, and this distance can be covered by road in a taxi. Vaidyanath, Devghar, Jharkhand. A highly revered Jyotirling among the 12 Jyotirlings names in the country, Vaidyanath or Vaijnath is also one among the 52 Shakti Peeth shrines of Sati of Hindu religion. Mythological stories believe that Ravan revered Shiv for years and invited Shiv to Lanka. Shiv showed up as Shivling and ordered Ravan to not to put down anywhere until he reached Lanka. Vishnu interrupted Ravan in between and influenced him to keep the Shivling at rest for some time. Thus, Ravan disobeyed Shiva, and since then he resides as Vaidyanath here in Devghar. The month of Sawan receive maximum footfall here, as people believe worshipping this shrine of Shiv will help them to get rid of all miseries and attain moksha and salvation. Temple hours. The temple is open on all 7 days from 4 am to 3:30 pm and from 6 pm to 9 pm. During special religious occasions like Mahashivratri, darshan timings are stretched. How to reach Vaidyanath? The nearest railway station to Vaidyanath is Jasid Junction. This station can be reached from Ranchi. The temple is just 15 km away from the station and can be reached in an auto or by cab. Mahakaleshwar, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Surrounded by dense Mahakal forest, Mahakaleshwar temple in Ujjain has immense spiritual significance. As one of the popular Jyotirlings of central India, the shrine at Mahakaleshwar is believed to be set up by a 5-year-old boy, Shrikar, who was inspired by the devotion of King Chandrasen of Ujjain. Located by the banks of Chipra river, Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling is also among the 7 Mukti Sthal in India, the place that can liberate a human being to eternity. Temple hours 4 am to 11 pm. Devotees can experience darshan 8 am to 10 am, 10:30 am to 5 pm, 6 pm to 7 pm, and 8 pm to 11 pm. How to reach Mahakaleshwar? The nearest airport to Mahakaleshwar is Indore, Ujjain Junction, Vikramnagar, Pingleshwar, Chintaman are the 4 nearest railway stations to Mahakaleshwar. Omkareshwar, Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh. Omkareshwar, translating to Lord of the Om sound, is one of the most sacred places in India, situated in an island called Shivpuri on the Narmada river. This temple has immense mythological significance too. People believe that once there was a war between Devs and Danavs, and the Devs prayed to Lord Shiva for victory. Satisfied with the prayer, Lord Shiva appeared as Omkareshwar and helped the Devas to win. Temple hours open on all days of the week from 5 in the morning to 10 in the night. Darshan is between 5:30 am to 12:20 pm and 4 pm to 8:30 pm. How to reach Omkareshwar? Indore and Ujjain are the nearest airports to Omkareshwar. The nearest major railway station is 77 km away in Indore. There are also buses running from Indore, Ujjain and Khandwa to Omkareshwar. Kashi Vishwanath, Banaras, Uttar Pradesh. Renowned as Golden Temple in Banaras, Kashi Vishwanath is a popular one on the Jyotirling temple list. Constructed in 1780 by Maharani Ahilyabai Holkar, a Maratha monarch, this Jyotirling is a significant religious place for the Hindus. Devotees believe that Lord Shiva resides here and offers liberation and happiness to all. It is also considered as one of the first Jyotirlings in the country which showcased its power over other gods, broke through Earth's surface and moved towards heaven. It's among the most sought after 12 Jyotirlings in India. Temple hours. The temple open every day from 2:30 am till 11 pm. How to reach Kashi Vishwanath? Banaras Junction is the nearest railway station and there are several other stations in the city. Kedarnath, Uttarakhand. Located in Rudra Himalayan range at an altitude of 1200 feet, Kedarnath Jyotirling is also considered as one of the 4 dhams of Hindu religion. Due to extremely cold weather and snowfall, the temple remains closed for 6 months during winter and is open only from May to June. Devotees on their way to Kedarnath first visit Gangotri and Yamunotri to take holy water, which they offer to Kedarnath Shivling. People believe on visiting Kedarnath temple and bathing the Jyotirling, one can get rid of all unhappiness, ill luck and misfortune. Trekking up to Kedarnath is moderately difficult and people use walking sticks or ride on moles or dolls. The Samadhi of Shankaracharya, the famous Hindu saint, is located just behind the main Kedarnath temple. Temple hours 4 am to 12 noon and 3 pm to 9 pm. How to reach Kedarnath? Joli Grant is the nearest airport and Rishikesh is the nearest railway station to Kedarnath. The nearest road connectivity is till Gauri Kund, from where you can trek to Kedarnath. Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. Rameshwaram Jyotirling is believed to be worshipped by Lord Ram after his phenomenal victory over Ravan. The temple is surrounded by sea and boasts of its beautiful architecture, decorated corridors, and 36 tirthams. Popular as Banaras of the South, Rameshwar Jyotirling is also one of the most visited holy places in India, approached via Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Devotees visiting this Jyotirling also visit Dhanushkodi beach, from where Lord Ram had built Ram Setu up to Lanka to save his wife Sita. This is also one among the Char Dham of India. Temple hours 5 am to 1 pm and 3 pm to 9 pm. Darshan is permitted till 8 pm. How to reach Rameshwaram? The nearest airport to Rameshwaram is in Madurai, that is 163 kilometers away, and it is also connected by railway from several major South Indian cities including Chennai. Mallikarjun, Andhra Pradesh. Popular as Kailash of the South, among the other 12 Jyotirlings in India, Mallikarjun Jyotirling temple is located at the top of Sri Sal mountain on the banks of river Krishna. With beautiful architecture and sculptures, decorated pillars known as Gopurams and Mukh Mandap Hall, the temple of Mallikarjun consists of deities of Shiva and Parvati and is listed as one among the 52 Shakti Peeths of Sati. Mallikarjun Jyotirling is one of the greatest shrines of the country. Temple hours. The temple is open from 4:30 am to 10 pm every day. Darshan is between 6:30 am to 1 pm and 6:30 pm to 9 pm. How to reach Mallikarjun temple? You can reach Mallikarjun by road from the nearby towns including Doranal, Markapur and Kurichidu. The nearest railway station is Markapur railway station. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and family.